Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up PayPal business account. So for this, first of all, you need to visit paypal.com. So this interface will open. Now here we have two options, that is personal and business. So let's choose business here and now click on sign up. As you click on sign up, enter the first name, then enter the last name, enter your email address and set a password. Now click on agree and continue. Open that email, copy the code here and paste that code here and click on submit. Once you click on submit, now you are all set. You just need to wait for a while. Now you need to answer a few questions. So for this, click on get started. So answer all these 4 questions here. So first of all, like what do you plan to sell? So I just choose maybe tickets to travel and click on next. Once you answer all the 4 questions here, so simply click on continue. Okay, now here you need to add some details like your date of birth, then your phone number, and then your home address, city and zip code, and then enter your SSN and then click on next. So in this way, your PayPal business account will be created. This is it for today's video. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.